What's up, guys? Back again with another video. So today we wanted to talk about the Louis Vuitton Ollie sneaker. Now this shoe, I believe this shoe is a seasonal shoe, but it's still available on the Louis Vuitton website. I've already worn these, and I want to say that by wearing these already, I'm able to bring to you guys a more accurate detail of the sneaker because I've worn them already. Very comfortable shoe. It definitely is a statement sneaker that you can wear with pants or shorts. I like them both ways, but I typically wear them with pants. But as you can see, the upper is like a canvas material, made up of a canvas material with a rubber midsole, outsole there. As you can see, the midsole is a midsole to outsole, and it's white, and the bottom is white, which is kind of tough. But to keep these clean, to keep them clean, and before I actually put them away, I do use this. This is the soft sole instant spray, instant cleaner, or whatever. I'll leave a link to this if you guys want to check this out, because they do sell them at sneaker stores, but a lot of the sneaker stores don't carry it. It is on Amazon. If you want to check it out on Amazon, I would definitely leave a link to that, you know, just so you can use that to clean the sneakers. What I do like about that, not to spend too much time on it, is that, you know, you can definitely spray that instant cleaner on them to get the dust and stuff off of the sneaker before you put them away. I keep pretty much all the designer sneakers in the box. Here's also too a picture of the receipt, because coming with these reviews, you know, it's a lot of places where you can get, you know, fake and phonies from. But these, all the shoes that you see on my channel, period, is going to be 100% authentic, and I'm not even going to keep repeating that. So when you see these sneakers on my channel, just know that these are definitely the real deal. I believe this is a seasonal shoe, you know, that they're going to be released, that may or may not go away. I'm not sure. It may be here to stay, but you never know at Louis Vuitton. This also comes in an orange colorway as well. But as you can see, it's in the blue. We have LV on the toe there, and all this is just kind of like printed, right? It doesn't have any raised effect to it. It's just like printed on the canvas there. You got the signature Louis Vuitton on the back, and on the tongue you can see it has LV in like a blue flamed type raised leather material there. The shoestrings are pretty dope to me. They gave us this kind of like sky blue mixed with white and blue strings there. Very, very dope in my opinion. And the shoe is just a clean shoe, man. This is a shoe that I would like to wear with just like maybe some jeans or some shorts with a plain shirt or whatever, and let the shoe make the statement. Because when you see the shoe, to me, on feet, it definitely brings the eyes down to the shoe, and people want to see the shoe, look at the shoe, and definitely recognize what the shoes are immediately. Because when you see shoes like this, they definitely make a statement on their own. You don't have to, you know, dress them up or dress them down with anything fancy or anything like that. I do like the Louis Vuitton design with the pins there on the side. This is kind of made of, this is actually made of hard plastic for those there, but design of the shoe overall is definitely dope to me, in my opinion. So that's why I had to actually get 2 pairs, because I've seen them and I didn't, and I couldn't make a decision on which pair to get, so I decided to go with both of them. This is the black pair. Now the bottom of these is kind of like a translucent black, which I've worn these already as well. Also, the sock liner on these are white, and it's a white leather, so it's a little bit easier to keep clean, and you can spray the outliner, some of the instant cleaner inside, and kind of wipe out the inside of the shoe, because it is made in leather, but it's definitely white. And with these, I do wear black socks with them, so wearing black socks with these would definitely kind of stain the inside of the shoe. So that sock liner definitely gets stained by my black socks sometimes with wearing these. So sometimes I like to spray the instant shoe cleaner in the inside to kind of like wipe that out, so you know it don't get too carried away with that. These are in the damier print, which comes with 2 laces inside. So we have 2 laces. Unlike the blue pair has one that just has the different color shoestrings, this has actually 2 pair of shoestrings in the shoe. We have a light gray and the black, so goes with that colorway very, very well. And the translucent black outsole is fire in my opinion. This is definitely a dope sneaker. I would say the black out of the both of them are my favorite pair because it's more of a plain shoe and don't have a lot going on. So I typically would wear this with like an all black setup, all black printed tee or something like that, or a Louis Vuitton button down or something like that, and can get away with these shoes with the black Louis Vuitton hat, and it looks very good. This is a very dope sneaker in my opinion. The design of these is just, in my opinion, just overall a good sneaker. So you can wear them with shorts, wear them with pants. You can't go wrong either way. But this is the black in the damier design, damier print. So dope sneaker. So I do have both of these. They run at about $995 US, and of course with tax that would definitely put the sneaker well over $1,000 for a pair of these. So as you take a look at these on feet with shorts and pants, you know, you can definitely wear them either way. You can't go wrong. So you can rock them in the summertime, you can rock them in the colder months with pants, and you can definitely wear these shoes for a good long time. Very quality made, very quality built sneaker, and I decided to bring these to you on the channel here so you guys can actually get a real look at them. And if you're interested in what the box is, the box has been the same for a while now. They just come in a Louis Vuitton slide box. You just push open like this, and it comes with dust bags. I typically put them inside of the dust bag. Well, I spray them off first, put them inside of the dust bag, and put them back into the box. And this is the damier in black. So two pair. This is the Louis Vuitton or the LV Ollie sneaker. Run for about $995. With tax, they put you well over $1,000 for the sneaker. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, see you in the next video.